Well, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We're down here at Performance and Repair Specialties in Prineville doing a coffee and rigs meetup here. So here's some of the rigs that are here this morning. Some of these you probably recognize from YouTube channels. There's our little Jeep. We'll go in and see what it looks like. Alright, so here's their Performance and Repair Specialties Jeep. Thing's pretty sweet. We got a lineup of rigs here this morning. This is a Tacoma they were just working on. They put the bumper on, built the flatbed, they custom built it. Came out pretty good. Thing's pretty sweet. Got lifted rigs. Big bad F-150. This one's pretty sweet. Looks just like my dad's Jeep, other than it's taller. Nice little Rubicon. F-150. Bronco coming in. 4Runner. Of course, the Willys. Very cool. Bronco. Here's where the action happens. Show you inside the store here. Well, we got back from that coffee and rigs there with Performance and Repair Specialties. That was fun. Got to meet some other YouTubers and see their rigs. So that was an enjoyable experience, something a little different. And if you're in Prineville, every last Friday of the month they have that. And they get together and talk about their rigs and performance stuff. So anyway, that'll be it for this one. We'll see you on the next one.